If you're new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button and don't forget to press the bell icon to get notified about latest videos on my channel. Please give this video a big thumbs up if you found it useful and don't forget to comment below with your queries. So the shipment has arrived like this. It looks quite sturdy. I'll unbox this right now. You see, there are ventilation holes all around the box, which is quite necessary because there's a live plant inside. Pretty impressive, I must say. That's the invoice of my purchase. And voila, the plant, all green and healthy looking. I almost overlooked that the plant has been tied to the box to prevent it from being dislocated. So I'll cut off the rope right now. And now I just can't wait to get the plant out, hence this apparent unladylike unboxing. Please excuse your Whimsy crafter. Oops. Phew. Now there's some amount of dried off leaves and soil lying at the bottom of this package. That's fine, I guess. So this is how the plant looks right out of the box. I'll now remove this bubble wrap covering. Now that the covering is removed, you can actually see the setup of the plant. As you can see, there's a separate plastic mesh pot in which the plant is actually potted, and this mesh pot is planted in a larger pot. The smaller pot is easily detachable from the larger one, as you can see right here. And there are roots growing out of the smaller pot as well. I'll space out the soil and place the smaller pot firmly back into the soil of the bigger pot. I'll cover the surface of the pot with the surrounding soil. And then instead of wasting the soil left in the packing box, I'll add it to the pot. So yeah, this was how I unboxed a live jade bought online. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. I'll shortly follow this up with another video where I'll show how I'm taking care of this jade plant. Make sure you subscribe to my channel to get the updates.